Hey everyone, I'm Anthony Joseph, Associate Director of Provident Estate and CEO of Prime Stay Holiday Homes. I'm specialized into selling off-plan properties and especially the luxurious one. Under my wings, I have 250 properties that I'm managing under short-term rental. During the pandemic, we have seen a huge change in dynamics of the markets where the prices were really dipping. Therefore, the developer had to come with extended payment plans, means they were giving 2 to 3 years post handover, and they're also giving very good discount on the registration fees. Some of them, they were waiving the full registration. When it comes to luxury properties, we always see two types of communities. First one is always the golf course communities, and the second one is the beachfront areas where they have the peak demand when it comes to luxury. So basically, most of these new buyers coming in market, they're coming mainly from Europe, from different regions in the world. So what they find it very interesting in Dubai, that first of all, when they're doing these purchases, they don't have to pay any VAT on the property. They are not paying taxes. They are not paying taxes on their capital gains. And in case they rented these properties, they are not paying taxes on their monthly or yearly return, which is something super interesting for them. Number two is the price per square feet. So comparing these luxuries to the major cities in the world, Dubai is extremely affordable until date. And the third, which is also a major part of it, is following the value of the property. If it's like 5 million, they're getting immediately the investor visa. If it's a 10 million, they're getting the visa. They can get even a retirement visa based on it. There's tons of options coming from investing in properties like that. So basically, this type of investment doesn't happen every day. Like, we cannot compare it to people buying properties from $1 million dirhams to 3 million dirhams. These people, let's say, are investing minimum from 10 million dirhams onwards. So their main questions will be, they want to know the demographic and the history of this area, what has been happening. For example, let's say if they're buying on the Palm, they want to know what's been happening from 2016 until date, from transaction prices, from the rentals happening in the area, from the service charges, because all of these factors will lead them to take a decision if it's going to be the best investment option for them, or they would reconsider different areas. So in my opinion, don't make this purchase very quickly. Take your time, find out what is the most suitable for yourself and for your family. Check your cash flow. If you can buy a property cash, you can find lots of great offers in the market. If not, you have to follow a payment plan. If I'm looking for villas, I will go for 22 carat, which is located on the Palm. If I'm looking for apartments or penthouses, I really love the Dorchester collection by Omniyat. There is one in Business Bay, and there is another one on Palm Jumeirah, which is called One Palm. In my opinion, this is the best I have seen so far. When it comes to the new features that we've been getting it from 2020, which is the 3D floor plan, it also helped me a lot selling international people, because these people we couldn't really, we were just talking by phone calls. So when this feature came, at least it gave them the feeling and the idea of the property, where it really helped these people or this family pick exactly what they're looking for. And the True Check, which is also a very productive feature, where only now our client knows if this property doesn't have a true check, means that this listing might not be genuine, so they're only inquiring for the true checks. So nowadays we've seen developers competing who has the most luxurious, and now we're seeing who has the most affordable luxury property, which is amazing. You can be in a beachfront property nowadays starting 1.4 million dirhams or something equivalent to $400,000. You can be in a golf course community as well by paying almost $500,000. And most of these properties are on Bayut portal. You can check it out. We have over 800 units from most of the developers in the country, whether the properties are ready or soon to be ready. If you want to have more information or even you want to book a VIP tour, feel free to reach us anytime.